My name is Tim Reid. I'm Managing Director of Reid Fruits. We're a cherry production company in Tasmania and we export cherries to over 20 countries around the world. We've been very fortunate over many years to work with Professor Dugald close and the TIA team. They bring their research graduates onto the farm and they help us with a lot of our production problems. They've helped us in many ways to improve our production and quality of our product. The partnerships that have been developed between TIA and our company and in fact the wider industry have brought tremendous benefit to all of us, and particularly because the TIA team focus on outcomes of mutual benefit. Over the years, TIA candidates have partnered with our company and other horticultural companies to provide tangible outcomes that have an immediate impact on agriculture in Tasmania and beyond. It's no surprise that this program has attracted significant funding, due in part to the value created by the graduate research program. Professor Close believes that building trust is the key to effective industry engagement. I think I can speak on behalf of all industry research partners in congratulating Professor Close on receiving this award, very much deserved.
The benefits of our candidates being enrolled in industry embedded projects is that they become professionals in practice. Now what does that mean? They develop skills particularly around communication with their industry partners and collaborators, discussing project design and interpretation. They get to understand commercial realities and the complexity of businesses and their systems and how research can contribute to these complex business systems and the logistics of those systems. Finally, there's an expectation of presenting their results to their peers and industry at industry conferences and seminars and the like. This builds their communication skills in that formal setting, as well as allows the building of a network and the skills they need to continue to build their network post-graduation. Candidate post-grad career opportunities are significantly enhanced, whether they take industry or academic trajectories. Now this is through the building of the networking skills that I alluded to earlier, as well as the very practical skills around project management, project budget management, staff management, infrastructure and equipment management, and they become independent thinkers and learners and self-starters, as the industry like to say. We also set them up as professionals in relation to safety, first and always, and inclusion, diversity and equity, which are critical in today's workforce. In this way, we set up our candidates for success in their futures post-graduation. We know that our industry partners benefit from our valued collaborations for a number of reasons. Firstly, we get direct, unsolicited feedback of the quality of the activities and outputs that our candidates provide them. Second of all, we get generous funding contributions to both stipends and operating costs of the projects, and very significant contributions of time and expertise from their staff, as well as infrastructure and equipment. The funding to support the projects can amount to very significant sums of money indeed. Finally, we enjoy repeat business from our long-term partners who continue to support us over multiple HDR projects and support our candidates. To sum up, I would like to sincerely thank the enthusiasm and generosity of our industry partners and collaborators who enable a great working environment and fantastic outcomes in terms of the HDR candidates from our program. Thank you.
I'm Chanju Park and I'm TIA PhD candidate working with essential oils of Tasmania. My project is screening for native kunja ambiguo across Tasmania with view to improve oil yield and quality of kunja oil. Being part of the TIA PhD program has helped me to improve critical thinking and problem-solving ability from research experience. Further, I can improve communication skill and broaden my academic views, especially talking with industry partners. I can feel their pride, passion, and dedication to their work and Tasmania essential oils. I know all the candidates would join me to thank and congratulate Professor Close on his well-deserved award.